Hi, I am Askarias. I came to AH Career for learning the CCA group. Today I am going to say about generations of computers. First generation of computer. The time period between 1940 to 1956 is considered as the computers of the first generation. The first generation computers was made with the help of the vacuum tubes. It was a fragile device. Coming to the second generation of computers. The second generation computers. Coming to the second generation of computers, the time period between 1956 to 1963 is considered as the computers of the second generation. The second generation computers was developed using a transistors technology that instead of the vacuum tubes. Coming to the third generation of computers, the time period between the 1964 to 1971 are considered as the computers of the third generation. Using the integrated circuits, and it also generated the less heat. Coming to the fourth generation of the computers, the time period between the 1971 to present, is considered as the computers of the fourth generation. The microprocessor technology was used for the development of the fourth generation of the computers. The single microprocessor chip can hold all the circuits to perform logic, arithmetic, and control the functions. And coming to the fifth generation of computers, the time period between present to behind is considered as the computers of the fifth generation. The the fifth generation computers have the high storage capacity. The desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets are some of the examples of the fifth generation of the computers. Thank you.